In this video, I am going to show you how to download Audacity. First, you need to open Google Chrome and download Audacity and go to gaming link. Download Audacity, latest version. Downloading not start, you can directly click on download installer. I already installed one setup, but I canceled because the website that was not correct website. So now I'm downloading from authentic website. Now let download complete. After completing the download, you need to install setup. Error pop-up, it needs some API file. For that you have to download Visual Basic 2015. You have to select your system base file 64 or 32. If you're 64-bit user, you have to use 4-bit, or you are not sure, so you can download 32-bit. After downloading Microsoft Visual C++ 2015, you have to run setup. No setup is running. Let it complete. It's a big software, so it may take time. Now it's complete, close it. Now go to file, run as administrator, and here we go. Opening, yes, it's open. Now enjoy yourself and use it. If you have further questions, you can ask me in comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.